Welcome to our cooking show, Bone AppeNeat. I'm Chef Tiernan, and this is Sous Chef Bobby.
It's Tiernan and Bobby on Bon AppeNeat's Omelets.
First, we start off with eggs. All right, now we take out the eggshells and save them for later. On to the next step. All right, now we're gonna put some milk in. Ooh, just enough. Perfect. Now the next step, you'll light the stove. And I'm gonna let this honor go to my handy dandy sous chef. You're supposed to light the stove underneath. Yeah, jam it all. Hold on. Alright, now next step, we gotta mix the bowl. Alright. Bobby, I'm gonna let you do this one. So go on over there and grab the rubber scraper. Whoa, 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 whoa. Not that one. The rubber one right over there. The one with the red top over there. You might just want to put this guy away. There we go. Perfect. That's the one. So we made it a little milky. So why don't you, Sous Chef Bobby, put another egg in? Perfect. All right, and we're on to step 5, and we're gonna put some cheese in. Ready for a cheesy time? Oh wait, where are you going? Wait, what? Bobby, I need you for the cheesy time. All right, well. Cheesed up. And our next step, some salami. Right, Sous Chef Bobby? All right. And 3 more for good measures. And now we add some world famous baked beans. Just a little more. Perfect. And for our next ingredient, we have to get some fun dip. And now we're back with our fun dip. All right, now we put all of the powdered sugar in there. Maybe a stick for good measure. Why not? Oop. Perfect. And now we just do a quick swirl around. Just quick, really get that fun dip in there. Okay, for this next step, you have to add eggshells and apple cider vinegar. But make it very certain that you add it at the same time. Just like this. Ready, Sous Chef Bobby? Perfect. Awesome. And now you're ready for the next step. Now you just give it a quick old mix and we'll come back to it in 5 minutes. All right, guys, so we've got the finished product, and now Sous Chef Bobby is gonna give it a little taste. Now, Bobby, why don't you come on over here? Come on over here. Sit next to me, right here, and you can take a little big old bite. All right, well, I'll just move on next to you, and why don't you just try? Give it a little taste. Well, give the omelet a little munchy. Let's see how it is. Okay. Looks good. Give it a taste. Yum, yum, yum. How is it? Is it as delicious as it looks? And that was our cooking show. Be back next week.
That was Tiernan and Bobby on Bon AppeNeat. Omelette!